Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to do this makeup look. I instantly fell in love with this look as soon as I saw it. I love how it's very smoky, yet it's not the typical black smoky eye. It's got hues of brown in it with nude lips and the rest of the face being very nude. The main focus is only on the eyes and you can call it subtle yet glam. If you want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. So I'm going to start with my primer. This is the Maybelline Master Prime. So I'm just going to dot it all over my face and use this color bar buffing brush. I actually got a rush through this video because I have somewhere to go. So this will be a perfect time to test how fast we can actually do this makeup. For the foundation, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible. I'm going to take a pump of it, actually not even a pump because this sponge does not absorb product actually. So I'm going to take a little less than a pump. The sponge is amazing. It does not absorb any product. I mean, sponges are meant to absorb products. What I mean is, it does not absorb as much product as other sponges normally would. So the foundation's done. It looks absolutely amazing. I love this foundation and love this sponge. It gives me a beautiful base. Look how glowy it is. Now for concealer, I'm going to use my favorite. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. And then blend it with the Plume sponge. It is super easy to blend products with this sponge because the products blend like a dream. I'm really happy that most of you find my tutorials to be very relaxing. This is exactly why I do my makeup tutorials. It's the time I take off and it really relaxes me as well. This is the time that I really enjoy. This time shifts my mind from a lot of stuff. Because this is the time that I actually don't stress about anything. It actually shifts my focus. Now to brighten the under eye area, I'm going to use this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. And I'm just going to use a tiny amount of it. And then blend really well. Now I'm going to set my under eye area with this powder. This one is the Bharat and Dorris Loose Powder. Okay, now I'm going to set my under eye area with this powder. And this one is the Bharat and Dorris Loose Powder. I'm going to take my Body Shop face and body brush. I'm going to let it stay there till I'm done with the eye makeup. And whatever's left on the brush, I'm just going to lightly apply it on my face. So my base is done and I'm super happy with it. Now I'm going to move on to my eyes. I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution Flawless Faux Palette. And for my crease, I'm going to use this shade. This one is a medium brown shade. I'm going to make it as natural as possible. I mean, a smoky eye will definitely not look natural. But I'm going to try to not make it look dramatic. For the base, I'm going to take this Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade Classic Brown. And I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. Whoops! Oh my god, guys, just look what happened. Let's try again. Just try to place it on the eyelid somewhere in the middle so that we can blend it. I'm going to blend it with my finger. Now I'm going to take this shade and apply it all over my eyelids. We're going to make this eye look as simple as possible. I'm going to blend the crease. Whew. Okay, it looks pretty. Now I'm going to take this Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade Deep Black and I'm going to line my upper lash line. just like that. And now taking this Color Bar flat eyeshadow brush, I'm gonna smudge it. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take the same brown shade. This is a rich brown shade. And now taking the black kajal again, I'm going to line my waterline. Now I'm going to dust off the excess powder. For my eyebrows, I'm going to take this Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer and just fill in my brows. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. And the mascara I'm going to use is this L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I'm back after applying false lashes, and these are the Benefit Real False Lashes, the Prima Donna Lash. I'm going to apply bronzer, and for bronzer I'm going to use the Body Shop bronzer. And the brush I'm using is the Oriflame blush brush. For blush, I'm going to use my Body Shop blush, and this one is in the shade Truffle. And the brush I'm using is the QVS blush brush. For highlighter, I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Blush Palette, and I'm going to use this shade just on the high points of my face. And in the inner corners of my eyes, just a little bit. I'm going to use this lip liner, which is the Maybelline Color Sensational lip liner in the shade Dusty Rose. And on top of that, I'm going to use, actually this itself looks really nice. I'm going to use this Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick in the shade Toffee Nexus and just dab it on my lips. The lipstick might look a little different from what Kareena is wearing, but I think this looks amazing. So this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then you know the drill. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you want me to do any particular makeup look, you can always DM me on my Instagram, and I'll be more than happy to recreate that look for you. I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle. And I know